Hello everyone! Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta kayo mga amazing VAs, amazing remote professionals, amazing freelancers, at kung ano man ang gusto niyo itawag sa sarili ninyo. But yeah, kamusta po kayong lahat? Na-miss ko itong pag-vlog. Medyo matagal din, no? Since my last upload. Um, actually, marami na akong videos na nagawa. Hindi ko lang din na-edit, hindi ko pa na-upload. Gawa ng, number one, nag-focus muna kami in growing the business, and also nagbakasyon din. We went to the Philippines, which I will upload din later on sa channel ko. Yun. I met some of our offshore professionals or remote professionals na nagbo-work with our clients sa Manila. So we had a gathering. Nag-book kami ng isang room noon ng isang restaurant sa Manila, and ang saya. Yon. So hopefully next time naman sa Cebu kami, kasi some of our remote professionals are based in Cebu. Yon. And if it's not gonna be later this year, it will be maybe the first quarter of next year. Yon. And okay, so ano na po ang ating update? Alright. Okay, so now, nabanggit ko naman, no, I started this business in 2006. Now, we grew into, more than 60 people na. So, they are all providing services to our clients worldwide. Yon. So, our clients are based in, of course, Australia, kung nasaan ako ngayon, New Zealand, UK, dumadami na rin yung clients namin sa UK, and then of course nandiyan pa rin yung US, Canada, ano pa ba? South Africa. We have clients in South Africa. We have a client in Spain, and then also in Ireland. Yon. Meron din sa Hong Kong and Singapore. So nakalimutan kong banggitin yon. Okay. Ayan. So yun po yung update. And also, yung next video, I would like to request from you kung meron kayong suggestion or gusto naming i-topic sa next video namin, please feel free to comment below. Kung kaya po namin gagawin po namin. Kung hindi, we will let you know po kung hindi po namin siya linya. Because we wanted to teach you here yung mga natutunan din namin based on our experience, yung what works for us or what worked for us dito sa industry na to. So hindi po basta-basta na lang magtuturo kami ng any topic na wala kaming alam o hindi namin na-experience. Okay? And siguro, and that is why siguro marami nagme-message sa amin no na they are really thankful dun sa mga trainings na pinaprovide namin kasi marami silang natutunan. It's because talagang sinishare namin sa inyo yung totoong experience namin. Yun. Ano pa ba? Medyo hinihingal ako, no? Nagkasakit din pala ako. I caught COVID earlier this year din. So, yun. And then, parang sunod-sunod, no? And I don't know yung ibang naka-experience ng COVID. Parang nagiging sakitin na kayo madalas. So, ako, ganito yung nangyayari sa akin. Parang nagiging sakitin na ako madalas. Yun. But anyway, dito pa rin tayo. The show must go on. Business as usual tayo. Okay. And, yun, meron lang din akong tip sa today sa mga gustong mag-try nitong dito sa remote working world. Okay, sa mga nag-uumpisa, ang the best way para makapag-umpisa kayo is tanggalin po natin sa ating isipan na magiging empleyado tayo. Okay? We will be considered as independent contractors when we are providing a service to our clients. And meaning, huwag kayong mag-expect ng mga benefits. Okay? Like mga paid leaves, yung mga iba nag-expect ng mga 13-month pay. Yun. Yung iba na, marami ako nababasa online na yung iba binibigyan ng clients ng ganon. For me, you will be considered as a remote employee kung ganon. And depende siguro sa relationship nyo with your clients, no? And your contract with them or agreement with them na you will have a share sa profit nila or meron kang marireceive na bonus, and that's great. But since nagsisimula kayo dito, tandaan nyo na service provider kayo. And whenever you speak to a potential client, hindi po tawag doon interview. Ang tawag po natin doon is discovery call or an initial meeting. Meaning, you will get to know more about the client. Para siyang dating, di ba? You get to know about the person, about, of course, the client, the business, kung ano yung mga requirements niya, ano yung mga what are the parts sa business niya yung kailangan niya ng assistance, which part siya nagsa-struggle. And ikaw naman as a service provider, you will provide or formulate a solution para matulungan siya i-solve yung problem na yun. So for example, meron siyang problem in organizing yung folders sa kanilang share drive and magaling ka sa admin. So, pwede mo i-provide yun as a service sa kanila na magpa-provide ka ng admin services sa kanila. And what else can you do? Pwede ka mag-arrange ng interview since you are an organized person. Pwede ka mag-arrange ng interview. So, anything under admin task, aralin mo yon yung mga list of mga activities na pwede mong i-offer or list of activities na pwede mong gawin sa business niya na pwede niyang i-delegate sa inyo. So, yan yung isang sample. Also, of course, yung mga research work, yun, pwede yun. What else? Spreadsheet. Kung magaling kayo sa spreadsheet, pwede nyo i-offer yan as a service. Kung bookkeeper kayo, kung accountant kayo, pwede kayong mag-offer ng service as a bookkeeper. So, service provider tayo. Yun ang lagi niyong iisipin. Okay? So, meron kasi talagang iba na natatakot mag-jump into a call with a potential client because kala nila interview. So, isipin nila interview ito. And parang interview siya, but mas maganda na maging confident ka na, hey, I'm here to help you. Diba? Kung yun ang mindset mo, before the interview and during the interview, mas magiging confident ka because you are going to help this person. Yun. Okay. Ano pa ba? Basta kung meron kayong mga ibang suggestion pa, like paano sumagot sa mga questions ng mga potential clients, I can guide you based din yon sa mga experiences ko with, sa mga discovery calls ko with the client. So I'll give you some questions and then yung mga sinasagot ko sa kanila. So that will be in the next video. Okay? Basta kung meron kayong gustong ihabol doon sa next video, please comment below. Baka makatulong ako for you to take that step para masimulan na yung VA business ninyo. Okay? So for now, yun lang naman ang update natin. And yun, I would like to thank everyone ulit sa mga comments nyo, for adding me on LinkedIn at saka sa mga messages nyo rin sa LinkedIn. I really appreciate that. For sharing my videos with your friends na alam nyo matutulungan ng videos namin. Thank you so much. Wala na akong masabi. So maybe next video ulit, I'll see you there. Thank you. Bye!